Hi everybody, Shelby here from LuckyVitamin, and today we're going to be talking about Honestly Fresh deodorant in the scent Sugar Mint. So a couple reasons why I love this product is this, for me, lasts all day. I don't find myself having to run to the bathroom to reapply, which is great. And I've also been on the quest for a better deodorant, a more natural one, and for me, this one worked the best. It's not sticky, so you don't have that awkward feeling in your armpits, and it smells great. A couple of reasons why LuckyVitamin carries this product is it's vegan and cruelty-free, there's no parabens in this, and no baking soda and no aluminum. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.